In this video, I'll show you how to get product ID on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, first thing you need to do is you need to head over in here to your Shopify dashboard. Then head over in here on your products. And then on your products right here, you can see all the products that you have. If you don't have any product yet, head over and click on this add product, or you can also import directly using a CSV file. So I have these products right here. So for example, for this one, let's head over and open this pants product that I have. And in this will open this particular page wherein I can edit out the title, description, media, product organization, and all of these things right here. So you can actually edit it out however you want. You can also see a lot. So if you head over in here to your search and you try to search in here for product ID, it will actually be not really beneficial because it will not show you your product ID. What you can do instead is you can see in here your URL, right? And then on this URL that you have, you can see this particular bunch of numbers. This will be your product ID for this specific product. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.